Connecting and using a storage drive on your Samsung Smart TV is a very easy process. So let me show you how you can view photos or videos from your USB flash drive, SSD or hard drive. To connect a USB flash drive, you can use any of the USB ports on the back of your TV. But if you have a hard drive, then you need to connect it to HDD 1 ampere port. Most of the external storage drives use USB Type A interface, but if you have something else, such as Type C, then you can use an adapter. Now, after plugging it in, the TV will open the drive automatically, so you can access and view its contents right away. Now, if you want to close this window and come back to your storage drive later, then you can view it under Sources. So to go to Sources, first we will open Menu, then go down to Connected Devices, and under the Sources you'll see that your storage drive will appear. So you can just select that and it will open the Explorer for you. One thing I'll recommend is to keep the device disconnected when not in use, because they get very hot really quickly when kept connected. So that's how simply you can connect and use any storage drive on your Samsung Smart TV. If you found this helpful, you can support us by subscribing, and I'll see you around.